Which one are you opening first? The orange. What is it?
It's orange.
Horse. Can we have a look? So what's this one, Marley? Marley.
Horse.
What does the horse say? No, no. Which one have we got next? Which one was in the red container?
No.
Who was it?
No, who was it is?
Thank you. Okay, here we've got, Marley has got a sheep. Would you like to see what's in the blue container, Marley? While we have a look at this sheep. Oh, you've got a hat. Oh no, what's on your head, Marley? Oh, it's fallen off. Okay, here's our sheep. And what sound does a sheep make, Marley?
Baba here.
Bah, bah. Okay. What did you get out of the purple one? You got something out. Can we have a look? Oh, here it is.
Moo. Moo, moo.
It says moo, does it? What is it?
Mom. Daddy.
We'll have a look at the cow and you have a look what's in the blue container. Here's the cow. And Marley's going to have a look what's in the blue container.
What's in blue container?
What's in the blue container, Marley? What is it?
He went away.
He ran away?
Yeah.
Oh no. Can we have a look?
Ew.
Where did he go?
He ran away.
Where did he run to?
Away.
Ah,
He went away.
he went a running.
Yeah. Here I am. Here I am. I do farming.
To eat corn.
No.
Can we have a look?
Oh, this Sunday. One and zero.
We'll have a look at the rooster. You get it? You get that? The one in the green. We'll have a look at the rooster.
No, Daddy. I
Oh, have a look at what's this one? Marley, what's this one?
don't.
A goat. And the goat says meh. Meh. The goat has horns, doesn't it, Marley? Here's the goat.
Where's he?
Can we have a look at the rooster?
Where's he?
I think you might have put the rooster in there, maybe. There's something in the pink one for you to look for. What if we have a look at the rooster and you have a look in the pink one? Thank you. Okay, here's the rooster, and Marley did a lovely cock-a-doodle-doo before. There's the rooster. What have you got in the pink one, Marley?
Pink.
Oh my goodness, we'll put the rooster here. Here's the pig. What does the pig say, Marley?
Oink.
Pig says oink.
Arms.
Marley's got long arms now, long colourful arms.
Tail arms.
Rainbow arms, don't you, Marley?
Rainbow arms.
Oh my goodness, what is going on? Uh-oh.
Baba, video pop. Baba, video pop. Baba, video pop. Baba, video pop.
Oh my goodness.